Hello stress-free mommies! So we are now up for another vlog, and for this vlog, I would like to share to you on how I upgraded my cleaning materials here at home into something more fashionable and more effective at the same time, very convenient to use. And you know what I'm talking about? It's no other than the Deerma DX810 vacuum cleaner. So for this vlog, I will show you kung bakit nag-rank to na number 1 sa Shopee vacuum cleaner category for how many months? 12 consecutive months. Actually, this is an international brand that is sold in more than 100 countries worldwide. So for those who are new to my channel, this is Mamicon of Stress-Free Mommy PH, and at the same time, the content creator of Concollate's YouTube channel. So don't forget to click subscribe, like this video, and share. Thank you! Ayan, mommies! So bakit nga ba ako nag-switch into Deerma Vacuum Cleaner? Kasi bukod nga sa nabanggit ko that it is really known worldwide, alam niyo ba na this is very fashionable? Alam niyo naman tayo mga mommies, we want something fashionable for our home use. And at the same time, ang ganda ng effect nito once na ginamit niyo. And another is, this is a light luxury appliance. Kumbaga talagang very light, very suited for moms and every members of the family, and very effective. Look on how to use this Deerma DX810 handheld vacuum cleaner. Kasi alam nyo, hindi lang ginagamit ang vacuum sa floor katulad ng iniisip natin lagi pag sinabi yung vacuum. You may also use this on your sofa, on your bed, and what's more interesting about this is meron nga, ito yung nakikita nyo dito sa gilid, may dalawa pa siyang function. This one is for brushing your sofa, and this one naman is kapag sobrang daming nakakalat na, alam niyo yun, mga pieces of papers or any stuff on the floor, pwede nyo itong gamitin para makuha siya. So, kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang haba nitong Deerma. Does it mean na kailangan kong tumayo para magamit to, say for example, on the bed? No. Kung makikita nyo dito, itong Deerma has a button. Click nyo lang yung button na yun, very lightly. And after that, so very simple to assemble. Tapos, lagay natin to, kung makikita nyo, ang laki ng butas nito, para to sa mga small stuff dyan na nakakatamad pulutin, lalo na kapag may kids ka, grabe. So, I will show you the on and off button. Itong on and off button, itong vacuum cleaner na to. And I have here actually some props. Ayan. So, ito yung balloon beads. Pumutok yung balloon, tapos ayan yung mga beads. Kasi nag-birthday yung anak ko. So, sobrang daming balloons na nakakalat dahil pinutok niya. So, paano ko yung nalinis ng hassle-free? I use this vacuum. So, I'll show you kung gaano siya ka-effective. And maririnig nyo rin na low noise ang vacuum cleaner na to. Hindi siya masakit sa tenga. So you see, now you may wonder, paano na yan? Meron nang nasa loob yung vacuum cleaner, so may ipon na lang ba dyan? No? You don't have to worry about this. Kung makikita niyo dito sa ilalim, meron siyang button. You just click that button, and then presto, remove na siya. Okay, tapos ito, it also has filters, kaya yung mga alikabok, mafi-filter din siya. So, ito yung balloon na ginamit natin kanina. Okay, so kung paano nyo naman siya babalik, yung So, paano nyo naman siya ibabalik? Place nyo lang tong filter dito. Ayan. And then after that, you just place it here. Makakarinig kayo ng sound ng click. Once you hear that sound, it means okay na siya. Nabalik nyo na yung filter. For this one naman, this can be used sa mga sofa. In this case kasi, it's not really a sofa, but it is just a cover, table cover. So, but you can still use it this way. You know what, mommies? Ayan. Makikita niyo dito na meron siyang mga dust. Ano, may mga dust siya. I'm not just sure kung gano'n siya ka-visible sa camera. But you can see that it's very effective. Now, mommies, I will show you on how to use this vacuum cleaner bilang isang walis siya. Ayan, diba? Ang maganda kasi sa Deerma, strong yung suction niya. Makikita niyo naman and maririnig niyo naman, makikita niyo on our demonstration na sobrang lakas ng suction niya pero hindi ganun kaingay. And what's good about this, alam niyo kung ano, compared to the other vacuum na nagagamit ko before, na parang feeling ko, nakatodo na siya, sobrang ingay niya, pero hindi niya nalilinis yung paligid. Kasi parang kulang na kulang yung suction niya. So, another thing talaga na nagustuhan ko dito is yun na nga, para sa akin talaga nakukuha niya even yung mga maliliit na dumi sa paligid compared to other vacuum brands ano, na talagang makikita ninyo sobrang ingay. Para lang masabi talaga na strong suction, ang lakas ng tunog na tipong ano ba yan, nakakainis gamitin lalo na ako may baby ako, diba? So, nakakainis gamitin. But with Deerma talaga, low noise, pero strong suction. Sabi nga, no, hindi basihan yung lakas ng tunog sa lakas ng motor. So, yan ang maganda sa Deerma. Ngayon, for those who are very interested kung paano ko ito ginagamit, paano ako nakakapag easy-easy lang dyan on how I clean the floor, especially here sa playroom ng aking mga anak. So, itong nakikita nyo na to, all we have to do is just to place it here. Tapos yung button natin kanina na pinindot, ipapasok niyo siya dito. Alright. That's it. Nakakabit na siya. So, I will show you a very simple demonstration dito. So, ayan, mommies. Actually, right now, sobrang dami talaga naming kalat na balloons dahil nga nag-birthday yung anak ko. So, alam niyo naman kapag kids talaga, automatic, after nilang matuwa sa balloons, ang ginagawa nila, pinuputok nila. So, ang daming pieces ng balloons na ang hirap talagang alisin. But of course, with my vacuum cleaner, I have no problem with these. So, I will give you a demonstration kung paano ito mawawala in an instant. Yes, instant talaga. Asking na may cord ba itong Deerma DX810. Yes, may cord, but you don't have to worry. Sobrang haba ng cord niya that I could actually clean the entire playroom of my kids. So, talagang super sulit talaga. And, of course, nakita niyo naman, mommies, on how effective it is, yung low noise niya, and how, of course, fashionable for us mommies. So, mommies, this coming 10/10, Deerma Vacuum Cleaner will be on sale. So, ilalagay ko na yung link dyan sa description box para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap. You just click it. Lalagay ko rin yung iba't ibang klase ng Deerma Vacuum Cleaner para at least you have an option kung ano yung gusto nyo, kung ano yung bagay sa lifestyle ninyo. And, what's next? Like this video and share. And don't forget to click subscribe. share nyo na rin sa family members ninyo na naghahanap talaga ng convenient cleaning appliance, lightweight, luxurious appliance at home. It's no other than this one, Deerma Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. So once again, this is Mommy Con of Stress-Free Mommy PH. And I would like to say, happy cleaning everyone! Come on, let's clean!